Namaskar. Today I am taking up admission of a partner and calculation of new ratio. This I will explain you with the self-made examples. I'm sure you will be able to understand everything. Just listen carefully. Right? Suppose A and B are partners sharing in the ratio of 2:1. Right? C is a new partner and C has sharing ratio of 1/4. Now we have to calculate new ratios. We'll have to remember that we are given nothing like from whom C takes his share or who gives his share to C. If nothing like this is mentioned, then we calculate new ratio in this way. I am telling you. C has come for 1/4. So how much is left now? See, my dear, total share is always 1. Remember this thing. Total share is always 1. So we'll have to calculate a remaining share. See how. Remaining share is equal to 1 minus 1/4. You must be knowing how to calculate this. We take LCM for it is 4. Then here it is 1 down there. So 1 4s are 4 and 4 1s are 4. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3/4. This much mathematics you must know, right? So remaining share is 3/4. Now A and B will take their share from this 3/4 and they will take it in which ratio? 2:1. You all know 2:1 can be written like 2/3 and 1/3. Alright? See A's new ratio. A's new share is equal to 2/3 of 3/4 or 2/3 multiplied by 3/4. It is now, if you cut this, it is 1/2. So A's new share is 1/2. Let us find out B's new share. B's new share is 1/3. 1/3 of 3/4. So this is 1/3 into 3/4. Here again this 3 cancel. 1/4. This is B's new share. See, my dear, when we calculate individual, we call it share. When we talk about more than one person, it becomes ratio, proportionate ratio. So new ratio is 1/2 A is to 1/4 B is to C has come for 1/4. It is 1/4. It can be further simplified by making this denominator 4. To make it 4, we'll have to multiply it by 2 and divide it by 2. So it will become 2/4. See how. 2/4 is to 1/4 is to 1/4. Or this can be written like 2:1 is to 1. This way we have calculated new ratio 2:1 is to 1. Now the same question, if the question says C has come for 1/4, But question says C has taken it equally from A and B. Then we need not calculate remaining ratio share. See how. Now case, it is question 2 now. Suppose AB 2:1, C is for 1/4, but he takes equally from A and B, which he takes equally from A and B. In this situation, we'll have to calculate two equal parts of C's share. See how. Two equal parts of C's share is equal to, you divided by 2, 1/4 divided by 2 means 1/4 into 1/2 means 1/8. Two equal parts of C's share are 1/8 each. Now what will be A's new share? A's new share is equal to 2/3 minus 1/8. LCM is 24. 3 8s are 24. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. And this is 3 only. 13/24. Now B's new share is equal to, B's share was earlier 1/3 minus 1/8. LCM is 24. 3 8s are 24. It will be 8 minus 8 3s are 24. It will be 3. 5/24. Now new ratios. A's is 13/24, B's is 5/24, C's share is 1/4. It can be written like 13 is to 5 is to 6. Why? To make it 24, we'll multiply it by 6 and divide it by 6. Then it will become 6/24. So new ratios are 13 is to 5 is to 6. Thank you.